Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of setting up autopay for your utility bills. This is a fantastic way to avoid late fees, simplify your life, and ensure your services stay uninterrupted. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to gather all of your utility bills, things like your electricity, gas, water, and internet. Find your account numbers for each one. You'll need those in the upcoming steps. Once you have those ready, decide which payment method you want to use for autopay. Most utility companies accept bank accounts, credit cards, or debit cards. Choose the one that works best for you. Now, the next step is to head to the website of each utility company. You can usually find the website address printed directly on your bill or by doing a quick search online for the company's name. Look for a section related to billing or payments. It might say something like, Manage my account, Billing and Payments, or Payment Options. Once you've found that, you'll typically need to either log into your existing account or create a new one. If you already have an online account with them, simply log in using your username and password. If you don't, you'll need to go through the registration process, which usually involves entering your account number and some personal information. After logging in, navigate to the payment settings. Look for an option to set up automatic payments or autopay. It might be under a heading like Autopay Enrollment or Recurring Payments. Click on that option, and you will be presented with a form to fill out. This is where you'll enter your payment information. If you're using a bank account, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. If you're using a credit or debit card, you'll need the card number, expiration date, and security code. Carefully double-check all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. A single typo could cause your payment to fail. After you've verified the information, you will often be asked to select a payment date. Many companies let you choose the date your payment is automatically withdrawn each month. Pick a date that works well with your budget and payday schedule. Finally, before finalizing your autopay setup, be sure to carefully review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand how the autopay system works, what happens if a payment fails, and how to cancel the service if needed. Once you're comfortable with the terms, confirm your enrollment. You should receive a confirmation email or notification from the utility company confirming that your autopay is active. Save this confirmation for your records. And there you have it. Autopay is now set up. Remember to monitor your bank or credit card statements to ensure payments are being processed correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.